The Enigma of Midnight Manor. In the quaint countryside, shrouded in mist and surrounded by dark woods, stood a decrepit mansion known as Midnight Manor. Its history was cloaked in mystery and tales of hauntings, making it a place that the locals avoided at all costs. But for one brave soul, the allure of the enigmatic mansion was irresistible. This adventurer was Edward, an intrepid journalist fascinated by the supernatural, determined to unravel the secrets of Midnight Manor and perhaps unearth a long-lost legend. He sets forth on a moonlit night, guided only by the pale glow of the full moon. As Edward approached the mansion, an eerie silence enveloped the atmosphere. The mansion's facade loomed like a sleeping beast, its windows seemingly staring into the void. Pushing open the heavy creaking doors, he stepped inside, his heart pounding with both trepidation and excitement. Inside, the air was thick with the scent of ancient wood and forgotten memories. Edward's flashlight flickered as he ventured further into the dimly lit hallway. Strangely, the mansion appeared untouched by time, as if it had been suspended in a perpetual state of decay. As he delved deeper into the labyrinthine corridors, a soft melody echoed through the air, haunting and beautiful. Edward followed the sound until he stumbled upon an old ballroom. There, bathed in moonlight, he witnessed an ethereal figure swaying gracefully to the ghostly music, a woman clad in a tattered ballgown, her face obscured by the veil of time. She beckoned him to join the dance, and though terrified, Edward couldn't resist. They danced as if caught in a timeless waltz, but every time he tried to touch her, his hand met only empty air. She seemed like a spectre, a fragment of the mansion's haunted past. Throughout the night, Edward encountered other spectral figures, the long-lost family who once inhabited Midnight Manor. He learned of their tragic tale, of love and betrayal that had kept them bound to the mansion for eternity. Their souls yearned for redemption, and Edward vowed to uncover the truth behind their anguish. As he delved into old archives and dusty tomes, a chilling revelation emerged. The family had been torn apart by a sinister curse cast by a vengeful sorceress centuries ago. The curse trapped their souls within the mansion, leaving them wandering aimlessly, unable to move on. Determined to break the curse, Edward embarked on a perilous quest to find the sorceress's grave and reverse the enchantment. His journey led him deep into the heart of the haunted woods, where he faced treacherous obstacles and terrifying apparitions. At last, in a long-forgotten graveyard, he discovered the tomb of the sorceress. Armed with newfound knowledge and a relic to counter the curse, Edward performed a solemn ritual under the light of the full moon. As the last words left his lips, a gust of wind swept through the graveyard, and the earth seemed to tremble. The spirits of Midnight Manor were released, ascending to a peaceful afterlife at long last. The mansion itself seemed to sigh in relief, its malevolent presence finally lifted. From that night on, Midnight Manor ceased to be haunted, and its dark reputation began to fade. Edward's tale of bravery and redemption became a legend passed down through generations, inspiring others to confront the mysteries of the unknown. And so, the Enigma of Midnight Manor was no longer a haunting story but a testament to the enduring power of compassion and the bravery of those who dare to seek the truth, even in the face of darkness.